Hello everybody, this is Renee Rutten here, and I'm going to show you real quickly in Canva, and then also we're going to jump over to ClickFunnels and show you the same thing and the difference that it makes when you're importing images and you use a transparent background versus a non-transparent background. So on this Instagram post, it's just a square post, and I just have a black background. So I'm just bringing in a picture of my old buddy Warren Buffett. As you can see, has a background to it. It's got that kind of a purple background. Maybe if I make this white, you'll be able to see this a little bit better. Yeah. Okay, so you can see the background around my good buddy there. Now let's go back to my uploads, and I'm going to quickly pull in this little gal that we've seen before with the umbrella. Now see the difference between those two pictures? This picture of the lady with the umbrella has a transparent background, so there's no box around her. You can sit her right on top of any other image that you want or on the background and have it clear. But this picture of Warren has a square around it. Okay, so let's jump over to ClickFunnels, and I was just kind of playing with this YouTube revenue, and I decided to use that as an example. So I have two holes here for images. So I'm going to go to my images here, and I have uploaded these images already. This one, you notice, is white around the outside when I hover over it. This one, when I hover over it, has a blue background. Okay, so I am going to insert this one first because that is my first example, and it has a white background around it. Now my background is white, so maybe this ain't a great example. Let me change my background here. Just so that you can see what this looks like, and I'll go back and fix it later. Okay, so see how that square is around that one? Okay, so then on this one, let's go back to my images, and this time I'm going to pick the one that has the blue background because that's just a symbol telling me that it's transparent. Okay, now I'm going to insert that one here and see how it is transparent, and that blue shows through everywhere. So I think I have one, yeah, up here too, where it has a transparent background. This one is another one that has a transparent background, which gives us the ability to do the overlapping like this. And if you want to know how to do that, I can tell you that too. Just shoot me an email. But that's really the end of the video. I just wanted to show you the difference there of the two kinds of images, the ones with a transparent background and the ones without a transparent background. So leave me a comment if you like the video, and I hope it helps somebody, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.